Hello everyone and welcome back again here in my channel. So for today's video mga kasintas, I'm going to share you guys yung nakap ko ngayon na sneakers. Itong Nike Air Presto South Korea. So before I start with my video mga kasintas, thank you nga po pala doon sa mga nag-subscribe sa channel ko. And doon naman po sa mga bago dito, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for you to notified every time I create a video like this. Okay mga kasintas, so let's start with the box. So, meron siyang parang pa-circle na color gray. And then may 5 dots na nakalagay is alpha. Then, nakalagay dito is Nike Air Presto White Metallic Gold Black. So, eto siya guys. So, sa loob niya, ito. Yan, nakalagay. Presto. So, these sneakers come from size. And tingnan natin yung sapatos. So, ito yung right pair niya. So, yung connection niya sa lace is color red. The inner side is blue. Plus, flag ng Korea. Then, ang outsole niya is powder blue. While the other half is same din yung side niya. But red yung outsole. So, ito nga pala guys. So, may transparent siya dito sa may toe area. And yung pinaka body niya is white tiger skin. So, black yung laces and may color gold na Nike swoosh dito sa lateral side. So, guys, tignan natin siya in 360 and also on fit. Okay?
Abrázame toda la noche, no nos queda mucho tiempo más. No quiero perder lo que queda. Seguimos siempre la pasión y confiamos solo en el amor. Yeah. No quiero perder lo que queda. Y más allá. A través de la gran oscuridad, hasta que me convierta en rayos. Y más allá. A través de la gran oscuridad. Y más convierta en rayos. Y más allá. A través de la gran oscuridad. Y más allá. miles, crecemos en número, en solo un trueno de horizonte. I can't see the issue. Yeah, believe me, I need to keep myself alive, but I don't need to kiss you. Hey, we can make it tonight, baby, that's just fine. Don't know what I'm doing, feel like I am going crazy. Keep it down. You look good, you know it, I can tell you're soaking up all of it now. Hey, hey, listen to what I say, let's get to it and we won't call nobody. Yeah, we won't call nobody. Hey, hey, listen to what I say.
Okay mga kasintas, I hope you like the video. Dun nga po pala sa hindi pa nagsusubscribe, please subscribe and hit the notification bell for you to notified every time I create a video like this. Okay, see you on my next vlog. Peace.